Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Voice of the People Party klarai benum yeshim benta ha ka jinge kren na ka benta banwan ra ka lintirel da ka baong baka sorkar kala deptip shai ya ka jingsngo upat ba halor ka nikamat. U President ka VPP uba Ardent mila basayamot habakali shipang kani uloong bana kalyang kaseng kala dep kren shai halor ka assembly baladak sorkar ka sngo baka Donkam ya ka lintirel kila banyat bet ya ka linti ban pelong ka komiti uba Ardent uloong baka sorkar ka deban penklanya ki bor pahara ha ki jaka khaput klem dakhen la ki don jingker ne em habaken Thaw halor ka jing penbana ka sorkar jela ban bu hakmat ya ka jingker kenro khaput uloong bagi pat ba ki klem persya ban ker sainar ha khaput henry ki dang yakren ban pentikna bakinum du ya ki jaka jongki khamtam ha ka jaka rep ka sorkar ka Donkam ban perkhat khia ya ki jing jagi pat ba ha ki than khaput ban ai ka pat ki lat ki linti ban im laong uba Ardent.
Where is the need to constitute this committee for railway connection? Where is the need? The government knows the mind of the people very well. We have also made our stand very clear on the floor of the house. You know that we would like to see that the government is putting in place a mechanism that will check the unregulated inflow of outsiders. That precedes, the discussion of railway connection in the state. So we don't see the necessity even to have this committee. The government feel if railway is needed, then the government can go ahead. Why constitute this committee? Since we have already made our stand very clear. You see, the government should strengthen, the presence of armed forces in the border area, irrespective of having a fence or not. That should be the priority of the government. Because, as you have said, the people, they are not opposing the fencing of the border. What they are only negotiating with the government that if fencing is to be taken place, it has to be, the government has to ensure that the people will not lose large tract of land, especially the cultivable land. That is the concern of the people in the border area. So I think the government will have to think serious about it.
And so you are suggesting that the government should not just...
Yeah, that is our... you need to take also the concern of the local people, especially when it comes to their livelihood. If they lose large tract of land, where will they go? The government is not providing any alternative job for them. So irrespective of fencing or not fencing the border, the government should provide enough forces to protect the people in the border areas.